Welcome to our presentation on APIs or Application Programming Interfaces. APIs are sets of rules that allow different software programs to communicate. They define how requests and responses should be formatted. APIs operate on a request response model. For instance, when a client like a weather app requests data from an API, the API processes this request and sends back the relevant information. There are various types of APIs, including web APIs for web application, library APIs for programming languages, and operating system APIs that allow applications to interact with the operating system. APIs offer numerous benefits. They allow for integration of different services, improve efficiency by reusing functionalities, and encourage innovation by enabling the creation of new applications. Real-world examples of APIs include social media APIs for integrating features, payment APIs for processing transactions, and Google Maps API for embedding maps in applications. In conclusion, APIs are crucial in today's software landscape, enabling effective communication between systems and driving innovation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more info.